What type of nutrition is there in bacteria? Quickly, Umar. What type of nutrition is there in bacteria? Hmm. Yasir Reza, tell me saprophytic nutrition. Explain saprophytic nutrition. Explain saprophytic nutrition. Nutrition. Fatma Darunu, tell me saprophytic bacteria. What are the saprophytic bacteria? Fatma Darunu. Habiba, you raise hand. What do you want to say? Saprophytic. Decaying organic matter. Where they grow. So the digestion occur outside of the body. Yes, digestion occur outside the body of bacteria. And then they absorb. Okay. Yes, this is Haya. Haya, you raised. Earlier, Afsha was also raised hand. Haya. You raised hand. Hmm? Problem. Network problem. You thought autotrophic bacteria and saprophytic bacteria you have not understood. Yes. So you have not understood autotrophic bacteria. So autotrophic bacteria they actually can prepare their own food. They having some pigment. They just very much resemble or similar to chlorophyll, and with the help of that pigment, they capable to make their own food. Where they live, bacteria can be found on every place. They can be found in soil. They can be found in air. They can be found in water. Understood? Hmm. Okay. So, autotrophic bacteria, saprophytic bacteria, and parasitic bacteria. Autotrophic, they can make their own food, and saprophytic, they derive from the dead and decaying organic matter, and parasitic, they live on or inside the body of other organism, and that organism is called host. That organism is called host. Where these bacteria are living means they live on living organism on the body or inside the body. So that organism where they live, that organism is called host. Host, host. And they not only live on the host, they obtain their nutrition also. So they live as well as they derive their nutrition from the living organism. And they usually harmful bacteria, parasitic bacteria, usually the most of the parasitic bacteria, they are harmful bacteria. They causes disease in human being, animals as well as in plants. So parasitic bacteria is harmful because they cause diseases in human being, in animal and plants, in all means living creature, you can say plant, animal, human being and all. I discussed in previous class useful bacteria also. Yes. Faria Javed, tell me some uses of the bacteria. How they helpful. Right and wrong, you just